All right, just saw somebody I call on who say, "What's going on, stranger?" So, anyways, here we are. I think it's round 4 on the 13th day of February, 2024. I think this is the 4th one. So let's go on in here. We're just kind of cruise in here. So let's see what they have. This one is that's a Flagstaff. 81,000 usual. It's going for 66,000. So. Oh, nice bed in here. No leg room in the shitter in there. Nice. I like this. Is nice. Another place, another looks like a bed in here. I'd make this into a bed. So, got the TV in here. I like the color. Nice. Yeah. Can hang out in here. So yeah, a couple TVs in here. So nice. Not bad, but it's too big for the cowboy. All right, let's cruise out over here. Look at, these are the bigger ones. So, all right, let's go on this. Getting too many stairs. $609 a month. You better be using this thing year round. This thing is already loose. Big kitchen. Stairs. Oh, yeah. It's a nice big bed. It's not bad. But storage area right here. Not bad. Oh. But these stairs, tell you what, if you're an old person, it's an ankle breaker. Oh. Anyways. So. Yeah, gotta be careful coming down these things here. Sit out here on the deck with your buddies. Oh, there's a grill right there. Nice. But it's a little big, man. A lot of money to pull these things. You better have a big truck to pull these suckers. And you leave it someplace for a month at a time. That's what you do. So. Getting this one over here. Another one, it's 48 grand, give or take. Salem. Bunk bed for the kids. The bed, got some room in there. Workbench to make more kids. See right here, they can watch TV and got a nice couch. Sit out here and grill out. Nice. I like it. Heck yeah. Sweet Home, Alabama. Oh, hey. All right. Leonard Skinner's still touring. It's not. It's all it is. It's just a tribute band. More stairs. Show map. Pre-owned. Nice. TV. Sit right here. Watch all your favorite YouTubers. Sit here and smoke your geef. And hang out. Edit your videos. Got a big refrigerator. Storage area. Nice. These stairs, man. Oh, that's nice. This would be cool just for a storage area. But you got a TV in here, so I think the kids can sleep on there and can watch it on TV. So, I guess. God, this one's huge. My goodness. A lot of room in this one. More storage. Just want to make sure these things don't leak. Make sure. make me nervous. That's how big the head is. Yeah, you got leg room in there to grunt and groan. Does not bother. Oh. Does your conscience bother you? Tell the truth. Sweet. Listen to those girls in the background, 20 feet from stardom. They sang Angry for this Alabama. Sweet on Alabama. Another one here. All right. 23-inch. This is nice. Again, you don't have the stairs. Refrigerator. Had a little leg room. And you don't have, again, I don't know. I think this could be one big bed back here. I don't need all this stuff here. I'm going to have this one. This is going to be the bedroom. I'd buy this tomorrow. I'd take this stuff out, make a bed. I think it's, again, they didn't know what they were doing here. I don't know why you have all these. No, you don't need all that stuff. It's a poor choice. Poor organization. Again, they don't know what the hell they're doing here. I don't know. Foolish. But sometimes they just don't know what the hell they're doing. How you doing?
I understand. Well, I wish you the best of luck. Thank you so much. You'll make so much memories with your family. Yeah, thank you.
Over here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get dinged down the music. Trust me, you can hear it. And that's gonna be unfortunate. So it's too bad, but oh well. 549. Unless I keep talking and they don't I can overtalk the music. I don't know. But it all depends. It will tell me as soon as I upload. I'll get an email from YouTube. As soon as I get it, you know. It's not a copyright strike. You have to share. You share revenue, whichever revenue I make. So still pushed it out, but not a big deal. But this is a nice one. This is a nice bed right here. Oh. Not bad at all. Oh. But yeah, I like this one. This is nice. You got your bed right here. You have a nice big head over here. And it's nice. You have storage right here. This is a nice one. Nice big kitchen. So it's nice. It's nothing. I like this. This is a nice layout. This is very, very nice. So someone was smart. This is the Flagstaff Classic. That's a good for 50 grand, not bad. 56. I like it. Like that one was nice. I like that.
You like that?
Yeah, I like that where they have the bed automatically there for you. You don't gotta blow it down. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. I like that one. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. This one's 44. Carpet for your RV. Yeah, I like that. Again, here's the bed. This is nice. Very, very nice. Again, it's like the other one, it's just in. Room to take a crap. Leg room. Nice shower. Storage. Yep. No, another one I like. They did a nice job in this one. This is a nice one. Love it. Perfect. It's like the last one. Smart move. You got room to move around. You've got storage stuff down there. It's nice. Nice little area. Got your TV. Yeah, this is carport approved. I like you. Good job, you guys. Another good job. So, was this probably storage or? Yeah, it's storage. Good song by Cher. Turn Back Time. Oh, all right. So it's not bad. It's not bad. I like it. $419 a month. Obviously, I'd buy it outright. Nice. Somewhat easy one to pull. It's a little bigger, but it's nice. Both are pullable fifth wheels. Nice. Just depends how the quality on them is. Very nice. Nice to have them again. But see, oh, here we go. Kitchen. So you've kind of got they swapped it around. So they had it over there. It's nice room to move around. Kitchen, your workbench. You know, if you're a single guy, be great. This would be great for a single guy if you're going to be hanging out someplace. Let's say, like I said, this summer if I was a single man, drive around Lake Superior, something like this, and drop it. But I'm more of a smaller one. Make it very simple. So if I'm going to drive around an RV, or have a easy place to sleep, a place for your black water, storage stuff for your bike and your fishing rods and whatever else, and off you go. Make sure it's good quality. 4-wheel drive vehicle, all-wheel drive probably. You can pull it. You can store in there too as well. You got like this. You got right over here. You got your fridge. I think that comes out. I don't like these things that come out like this, because that was the one thing that go wrong with them. They come out, they break. The pull-outs, that can be a problem when the pull-outs come out. So that's the biggest problem. They don't want to go back in. So that's the biggest problem. More moving parts in an RV. See, kind of strange this thing is, but I get it. This is again, probably kids' room. That comes down. Nice big TV. So, anyways. So, yeah. Nice big bed here. So, yeah, you guys. Oh. It's around 4, whatever it was. Want another one now. Okay, guys? Thanks for the view. Don't forget to subscribe.